If your plant has lower yellowing leaves,
That again.
Hi everyone, I'm Heather Johnson, the company horticulturalist at Bachman's. When determining if your plant needs a repot, you're going to look for a few key signs. If your plant has lower yellowing leaves, if the growth is becoming long, leggy, yellow, and or pale, and if you pull your plant out of its pot and its roots are fully bound, those are all good signs that your plant will need a repot. Let's start by taking the plant out of its pot and loosening up the roots. Here you can see the roots are completely bound on the bottom, so we're going to want to make sure we take out all of this old soil and make sure the roots are nice and fluffed up. Once your roots have been removed with the soil, you're going to make sure that they're completely unbound. So untangle and unwind any of the wrapped up roots. You're going to want your new pot to be slightly bigger than your old pot. When choosing a new pot, make sure it's one that has proper drainage. Make sure none of your roots will be overflowing out of the top of the pot. Use extra potting soil to fill in around the roots. Pat around the top of the soil to make sure that it's gently firmed down. Water your plant thoroughly so that water leaches out the bottom of the pot. Once all of your water has drained through, come on, bud. Discard the excess water. And now your repotted plant is ready to go. Monitor your plant closely over the next few weeks and give it a little extra care to make sure that the repotting process goes successfully. Cool. Easy. Okay,